Good morning, scholar. I am Tan. I represent the research promoting sustainable food tourism in Vietnam. In the era of the globalizations, I would like to introduce the research. In the context of the globalizations, food tourism had emerged as one of the fastest growing economic sectors. Travelers are increasingly seeking unique experience closely tied to local culture, and Vietnam, with its rich history, divine culture alongside its distinctive and varied cuisines, had gained significant attention on the global tourism map. Developing food tourism is not only an opportunity to promote national culture, but also a sustainable strategy to drive economic growth and enhance the country's position internationally. About the literature review, food tourism or culinary tourism has gained significant attention as a major component of global tourism. This form of tourism transcends the simple acts of food consumption. It seeks to understand food's deeper cultural, historical, and social meanings. The United Nations World Tourism Organization and the World Food Travel Associations have played crucial role in establishing framework and promoting food tourism worldwide. In recent years, there has been a broader emphasis on a sustainable food tourism, which integrated the principle of sustainability into the tourism experience. Sustainable food tourism aims to promote the use of local organic ingredients, reduce food waste, and empower local communication. About the methodology, the study employed a comprehensive resource methodology designed to explore the current state of food tourism in Vietnam, analyzes the international best practice, extract the value actions about lessons, and propose actionable strategies to promote Vietnam food tourism in the era of the globalization. The methodologies integrate a qualitative and a comparative approach ensure to a robust and multi-dimensional analysis. The research is based on the secondary data gathered from the various sources, including academic articles, government reports, and industrial publications. Internationally, experience were extended through the analysis well documented case studies from Thailand, Peru, and China. We have successfully integrated food tourism into their broader tourism strategy. The result and discussions. The current state of food tourism in Vietnam has witnessed a rapid development and achieved significant milestones. Vietnamese cuisine has gained international recognitions, and the country has emerged as a growing force in the global food tourism market. Hanoi, the capital, has become a bright example of this success, being named a best culinary city in Asia 2024. Vietnam food tourism landscape is characterized by the richness and diversity of its cuisine, deeply rooted in regional identities and culture traditional. However, challenges such as the the commercializations of the traditional dish, environmental delegations, and unique distributions of benefit remain pressing issues that need to be addressed. The conclusion: to ensure the sustainability, Vietnam needs to focus on the protections first resource, enhancing service quality, and professionalizing the food tourism sector. The development of food tourism should not only drive economic growth, but also reserve the cultural and environmentally resource. By adopting sustainable practice and engaging local communications, Vietnam can create a unique and sustainable food tourism model that meets the demand of global travelers, while protecting its cultural and environmental heritage. Learning from the international experience, such as those Thailand, Peru, will be crucial in developing effective strategy of sustainable food tourism in Vietnam. That's the end of my presentation. Thank you for your listening.